The dark side is a pathway to many abilities some consider to be unnatural.
In today's lesson, we're going to talk about the light L and the dark L. Let's start with the light L. Now, I would guess that most of you are probably more familiar with the light L sound. This sound is made by taking the tip of your tongue and putting it behind your upper teeth like this. And the second component of this movement would be you release it. So one more time, all together now. L. L. You typically find this sound at the beginning of words or before a vowel. So for instance, we would have words like life, alive, aloof, belly, location, and so on.
And now, the true power of the dark L. The dark L is a sound that's happening at the back of your throat. It is akin to going to the doctors to have your throat checked. Oh. Now typically, the tip of your tongue doesn't touch any part of your mouth. But some acolytes do like to put it behind their upper teeth. Now the most important part of this technique is that it is a sustained sound, unlike the light L. That means you have to hold on and keep doing it. It is typically found at the end of words and all things, as well as in front of a consonant. Some example words might be more, Paul, help, always, or male.
Focusing on the light L sound, we could make a sentence such as, he's lucky to live his life in such a lovely location.
If you need an example sentence, I give you Paul always asks for help in the mall.
Alright, that will be all for today. Hope this video was helpful. Let me know what you guys think down in the comment section below. Also, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. I really appreciate it and it helps me out. And I hope to see you next time.